Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Y5 from 2019, and today I will show you how to access a fastboot mode on the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that you will need, which is a cable that you use for charging, and plug it into your computer and have it ready on the side. We'll need it soon. So from here, you want to shut off the device, so hold the power key and then tap on power off and wait for the device to actually shut off. And once it has, you want to hold the volume down on the power on a device. So volume down. I'm gonna hold only volume down, and while holding it, you want to plug it in. There we go. And immediately you will see fastboot mode. So you can now, I'm gonna unplug it. So that's how you enter the fastboot mode. Now if you would wish to leave this mode, all you need to do is just hold power key and volume down. So power key, volume down. And okay, it's gonna turn on its own. So that's basically how you would leave it. And there we are, back in the Android system. So that's how you would enter and also leave the fastboot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.